2 days continuous rain have caused waterlogging in many parts of the capital, disrupting public life. The Meteorological Office says the deep depression in the Bay of Bengal is crossing the plains, due to which there will be rainfall across the country till tomorrow. Many people who have come out for personal work on weekends are in trouble. They are to pay extra fare for using rickshaws and CNG. Heavy rain overnight has submerged roads in many areas. As a result, the city's residents are in no end of suffering. The Meteorological Office says 196 millimeters rain have been recorded in Dhaka in the last 24 hours. The highest rainfall has recorded in Maizdi Court in Chattogram division at 285 millimeters, and the second highest rainfall was recorded in Chatpur at 241 millimeters.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।